Guarantee Chevrolet, proudly serving Orange County for over 60 years. 17th Street exit off the 5 freeway.
The 2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, power windows, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
At Guarantee Chevrolet, we built our business based on customer satisfaction and referrals. That's why we've been around longer than any other Chevy dealer in Orange County. It's our people that make a difference. We're family owned and operated and promise an easy buying experience. Special sales incentives going on now, so hurry in because there's never been a better time to buy or lease a new vehicle.